Action News Now Storm Tracker weather. Coverage you can count on.
Breaking news out of the Bear Fire. The Butte County Sheriff's Office reducing the evacuation order to a warning for the area of Highway 162. That's from Canyon Creek Bridge all the way north to Whispering Chapel Lane, to include the area west to Lake Oroville and any of the roads that you can access there from 162 to the east. That's Encina Grande Road and the remaining areas of Berry Creek. Those will remain closed right now for fire impacts. You will be able to go to the area if you have proof of residency at this time. We're going to just keep an eye on this. Yeah. And what are we seeing right now, Jason, in terms of the areas just south of the fire where I know a lot of people are really waiting to go back home?
Yeah, right now it's not too windy. It's actually a little bit less windy than it has been the last couple of days. Yeah. That's not going to last very long, though, because we expect stronger wind in a few days, especially this coming weekend. It's going to be coming from a different direction, though. It'll actually be going from north to south, which for areas south of the burn scar is not good news. We're going to keep our eyes on that. Taking a live view from Rattlesnake Peak, though, near Oroville. You can see that we have a lot more sunshine right now. We have some cirrus clouds, some contrails. There's still some haze and smoke. These might even be the infinity stones from Thanos. I'm not sure. I'm going to check on that. But if it is, we're going to keep our eyes out for him. But the temperature's still really warm outside. Right now, 86 degrees. We still have the hazy sunshine for Chico, but it's a bluer sky than we've had for quite some time. Not that blue over Redding. Lots of smoke over Shasta County. 85 degrees. Currently, the wind southeast at 6 miles an hour. Also, a lot of hazy sunshine for Red Bluff. Currently, 85 degrees. Not much wind now, but it's going to be increasing in a couple days. And Oroville, we have a little bit more blue sky than we've had for quite some time. 87 degrees right now. Not much wind, which is very advantageous for the firefight, but that is going to be changing fairly soon. So our fire danger forecast for tomorrow. It'll still be breezy at times, still be warm, a little bit warmer than it was today. Temperatures in the upper 70s to upper 80s by the afternoon. The breezes not quite as bad as they're going to be, between 10 and 20 miles an hour. Humidity not bad yet. However, it's going to get a lot worse Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. Fire weather watch for the valley as well as the foothills and the mountains. That's going to be there because of drying air. We're going to have dry fuel on the ground, lots of gusty wind, and that wind is really going to heat the air, so temperatures will be much more summer-like starting on Sunday, lasting all the way through much of next week. Here are their temperatures right now. It's mostly 70s, even some 60s for the higher elevations, mostly more summer-like mid to upper 80s around the valley, but we've had a cool down over the last 24 hours. Most locations between 1 and 7 degrees cooler than it was a day ago, but that too is going to be turning around. The wind not as strong as it has been. Thankfully, around Oroville, as you can see, it is calm. Everybody else at or below 10 miles an hour. So we had a cold front that pushed overhead. It didn't have any good chances for any wet weather for us. There's also a small disturbance coming in for tomorrow afternoon. Same path over Oregon and Northern California. It's going to give us a slight chance for some light rain showers, but again, not much is going to occur. We're going to lose those clouds rapidly, and then northerly wind for Saturday, Sunday, and Monday is really going to heat us up. And it's going to increase that fire danger all the way through early next week. So here's your first forecast for tomorrow. Isolated showers for the northern mountains. Temperatures pleasant, but we still have lots of smoke in the air. Highs will be in the 70s. Also plenty of 70s for the Sierra. We'll have the breezes blowing, but it will be windier weather as we get into Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. For the ridge, we'll have highs in the 70s tomorrow. Overnight lows in the 50s and lower 60s. For the valley tonight, we'll have still plenty of smoke overhead. Lows will be in the 50s. Highs tomorrow, pleasant for this time of year, averaging in the lower to mid 80s for your Friday afternoon. And for the Chico area, we'll have lows between 55 and 60 degrees tomorrow morning. Tomorrow afternoon, it's going to be a pleasant day. Some smoke, but it's been a lot worse than this. Highs mostly in the mid to upper 80s. Next 7 days in Chico, it's really going to warm up. Look at Sunday through next Thursday, mid to upper 90s, awfully close to 100 degrees by Monday and Tuesday. And that's where we're going to get in Redding. We're going to go from the 80s tomorrow to the 90s on Saturday, then upper 90s and lower 100s Sunday through Thursday.
Oh, that looks dangerous. Thanks, Jay.